Choosing the best air fryer under $100 shouldn't feel confusing or overwhelming. Today we're ranking the top 5 air fryers that deliver real value without breaking your budget. We tested build quality, performance, and everyday usability so you don't have to guess.
Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Chefman TurboFry Air Fryer 8-Cute Touchscreen, a stylish budget contender.
Its stainless steel finish and large touchscreen panel give it a surprisingly premium look for the price. We ran a full basket of wings, and the extra-large capacity crisped every piece evenly. For a busy weeknight family dinner, this air fryer handled a full meal without needing a second batch. Its dishwasher-safe nonstick basket makes cleanup fast most after a long day. The large viewing window and simple touchscreen controls make it genuinely beginner-friendly. Its one real limitation is the larger footprint, which may not suit smaller kitchen counters. This model is best for larger households that need bigger batches without buying a second appliance. Overall, the Chefman TurboFry earns its spot as a solid, capable value pick at number 5. Number 4 is the Ninja Air Fryer with Air Crisp AF141, a compact powerhouse for everyday cooking. Its slim gray housing and 5-quart basket save serious counter space without sacrificing capacity. It runs 4 functions: air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate at up to 400 degrees. It fits up to 4 pounds of fries and still crisps every single piece evenly. Great for a quick family dinner. It reheated leftover pizza crispier than the microwave ever could. Ideal for renters and small kitchens needing serious performance in a smaller footprint. Its strengths are trusted Ninja reliability, fast preheat, and a genuinely quiet motor. Its 400-degree max temperature is a bit lower than some rivals. This limits ultra-crispy results. Best suited for individuals or couples wanting simple, no-fuss everyday air frying. A dependable number 4 that nails the everyday basics without any surprises. At number 3 is the Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6QT Air Fryer, from a name kitchens already trust. Its stainless steel accents and clear viewing window give it a durable, premium build quality. It offers 6 cooking functions, custom programmable settings, and an internal light for monitoring. Let's see how it did. We roasted a whole chicken, and the even heat circulation browned the skin beautifully. For weekend meal prep, this air fryer handled larger cuts of meat with impressive consistency. Its custom program memory lets you save favorite settings, saving real time on busy days. Its dishwasher-safe basket and clear window make both cooking and cleaning noticeably more convenient. Its control panel has a slight learning curve compared to simpler dial-based air fryers. This model is best for home cooks who already love Instant Pot's reliable cooking ecosystem. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus lands solidly at number 3 for its trusted, versatile performance. Taking silver at number 2 is the Ninja Air Fryer AF101, a fan favorite for good reason. Its compact, sturdy housing has become an iconic silhouette in kitchens across the country. It delivers 4-in-1 functionality with air crisp technology reaching up to 400 degrees. We tested crispy chicken tenders, and the results rivaled deep frying with a fraction of the oil. For meal prep Sundays, this air fryer consistently produced restaurant-quality results at home. Its ceramic-coated basket and dishwasher-safe parts make healthier cooking simple and repeatable. Its wide temperature range and quiet operation make it genuinely pleasant to use daily. Its 4-quart basket runs slightly small if you're regularly cooking for a larger family. This model is best for anyone wanting Ninja's trusted performance in a compact, everyday size. The Ninja AF101 secures a well-earned number 2 with consistent, crowd-pleasing performance. Taking the number 1 spot is the Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze air fryer, our clear overall winner. Its dark gray ceramic-coated design and angled touchscreen give it a genuinely premium feel. 9 cooking functions, a 90 to 450 degree range, and true PFAS-free ceramic nonstick coating throughout. TurboBlaze's 3600 RPM fan cooked a full basket of fries evenly with 0 shaking needed. Perfect for busy weeknights, it roasted a whole tray of vegetables while staying whisper quiet. I love how easy this makes dinner. Ideal for anyone wanting the best all-around balance of capacity, power, and everyday ease. Its biggest strengths are the quiet under 53 decibel motor, ceramic durability, and effortless dishwasher-safe cleanup. Its only real downside is that it's exclusive to certain retailers, which can limit local availability. Best suited for any household wanting genuinely the best all-around air fryer available today. Our confident, well-earned number 1 pick. The best air fryer you can buy right now. So there you have it. 5 air fryers, each with real strengths depending on your needs. If you're short on space, the Ninja AF101 or AF141 keep things compact and simple. For bigger families, the Chefman TurboFry and Instant Pot Vortex Plus offer generous capacity. But if you want the best all-around performance, the Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze is our clear winner.